Are your PC games crashing, not opening, or showing random errors? Don't worry. This video will help you fix the most common PC game errors easily and safely. All the software used in this video is from official websites only. I've added every official download link in the comment box below. In this video, I'll only show you how to install each tool properly. Let's start with the first and most important fix: DirectX End User Runtime. Many PC games still need older DirectX components to work correctly. Even on Windows 10 or Windows 11, these files can be missing. Download DirectX End User Runtime from the official Microsoft website, install it, finish the setup. This simple step alone fixes many DirectX and DLL-related game errors. If your PC game refuses to open, crashes instantly, or shows a .NET Framework error, this fix is extremely important. Many modern and older PC games depend on .NET Framework to run properly in the background. Even if you already have Windows 10 or Windows 11, some games still require older .NET versions to be installed separately. Missing or corrupted .NET files can cause startup crashes, black screens, or sudden game closes. To fix this, download the .NET Framework only from the official Microsoft website. Install the required versions, complete the setup, and restart your PC. If this video is helping you fix your game, don't forget to like the video. It really supports the channel. And subscribe for more PC gaming fixes, error solutions, and simple tech guides. Let's continue with the next fix. Next is Microsoft Game Input. Many PC games require this component, especially games using Xbox or Microsoft services. If Game Input is missing or outdated, games may fail to launch, or controllers may not work properly. Game Input, update it if needed. Next is Microsoft XNA Framework. Some older PC games and indie titles still depend on XNA to run correctly. If XNA is missing, games may fail to launch or crash at startup. Download Microsoft XNA Framework only from the official Microsoft website, install it, and restart your PC to apply the changes. Next is NVIDIA PhysX. Many PC games use PhysX to handle realistic physics, like explosions, movement, and effects. If PhysX is missing or outdated, some games may crash or fail to start. Download NVIDIA PhysX only from the official NVIDIA website. Install your PC for best results. The next is Visual C++ Redistributables. Many PC games require both x86 and x64 versions, even on 64-bit Windows systems. If one version is missing, games may show runtime errors or refuse to open. Install both x86 and x64 packages from the official Microsoft website. Let's continue with the next fix. Finally, install Vulkan Runtime for better game performance and stability. Download it only from the official website. All official links are in the comment box below. Like, subscribe, and comment your game error.